what we call big hydration energy. Cold water on a hot day. Definitely what we need. What's happening, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It is early morning again here in Georgia because it's getting hot. It's getting hot quick, and I'm out here trying to get some property work done. But I wanted to share with all of you guys an easy way to get grass down, get brush down on your properties. As you know, when you own a property, when you lease a property, one of the biggest things is being able to take care of it. And it can get expensive. Not everybody has access to a bush hog or tractor or be able to use heavy equipment. And what I'm here to tell you is you don't have to spend a lot of money. It can be really easy, especially if you have a rental place in your area where you can rent like equipment and things like that. Now, before I get into all of that, I want you to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, share these videos, continue to smash up the likes, leave comments and stuff. It is what's helping the channel and driving the numbers up and getting this content out to more people, educating more people on what to do out here when you own properties, when you're hunting, things like that. Now, what I want to talk to you about today, zero turn mowers. That's right. A zero turn mower, what I'm sitting on right now, can help you get the things done that you want to get done. Yesterday, I rented a zero turn mower, probably about 150 bucks for the whole weekend. That's it. And you get a nice machine that you can take out and get your property cleared. You can cut some trails. Now, mind you, nothing super heavy duty, but if you got like tall like grasses and things like that, you can clear an area and it'll help you be able to walk to your stand. You can use it to clear around your stand. I'll show you some video here of where I cleared like around my stand and stuff, and then I'm getting ready to go out to the lease and clear areas out there, clear me a trail and clear like a parking area and stuff. Let's check it out. Alright, we made it out to the lease, and thank the Lord for a breeze and cloud cover, because it is hot out here, but the cloud cover and the breeze making it a little bit better. If you take a look behind me, you can see like the tall grasses and stuff. So in a few minutes, I'm going to drop the tailgate, pull the mower out, get started, start clearing out a path. Now, if you take a look, you can see that there's already like a little area, a little path kind of, if you will, been made through using my truck and then just walking back and forth out here on this lease. But by the time we're finished, we're gonna have a nice clear path. We're gonna have a safer path. We're gonna be able to see, you know, down to the ground, and it's just gonna be a lot safer in getting around out here. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so take a look, and for less than what it would cost you to rent a tractor and a bush hog, we got this done with a zero turn mower. Look at this, wide angle, drive the truck down, drive the ATV if I needed to, and then just look at the difference. You know, we cleared the lane, we still left some area for cover, possible bedding, but again, for less than the cost of a tractor and a bush hog, we got this done.